Studious!
KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 221 Omega Bible Verse of the Day 1 Corinthians 16:13 in King James Version. Watch ye, stand fast in the faith, quit you like men, be strong. 1 Corinthians 16:13. Thanks be to God po. Share the love.
Good take. Good job. Perfect. KNC Bible Verse Memorization Challenge Day 221 Omega Bible Verse of the Day 1 Corinthians 16:13 in Tok Pisin version or in Papua New Guinea language 1 Corinthians 16:13 Yupela was sanap strong insait long bilip true Yupela mas sanap olsem man stap strong 1 Corinthians 16:13 and in Tagalog version Unang Korinto 16:13. Magsipag-ingat kayo. Mangagpakatibay kayo sa pananampalataya. Kayo'y mangagpakalalaki. Kayo'y mangagpakalakas. Unang Korinto 16:13. King James Pisin Bible. Tok thank you, Igolonggod. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love.
Good day, good job, perfect.